to ignite the fun. The heat is on and the excitement is electric here at BICOL LOCO 2025!
It's our first time attending the BICOL LOCO and it's really worth it given that it's my first time seeing that display po. We will be back tomorrow to watch again. So far, the dito is so far so good naman and we are excited for later's event and tomorrow. And we would also like to thank the ATV for bringing this kind of event in BICOL. Sobrang unexpected din na kami mapipili kasi sobrang daming tao kanina eh. Ang ganda sa loob, if you ever experience na makasakay, oh my God, parang may life. Hindi siya actually nakakatakot, siguro nakakatakot.
Saya, sa people and like Tagalusan na pa po ako. So super unexpected po na experience ko dito. Sobrang ganda yung view pa lang po mismo sa video. Sobrang breathtaking.
Ako first time ko rin maka-attend ngayon, kaya parang ang ganda rin ang experience. It's my first time po talaga even taga-dito ako. So it was perfect talaga for me. Tapos ito pa yung nasimulan na ng pila. Salamat po, Congressman Zaldico and ATV Party List!
It's really great. It's a great event. Nakakatuwa kasi also like I think may similar event din sa Davao na ganito, but I wasn't able to attend there. Dito pa talaga ako sa Bicol, naka-attend. So nakakatuwa, ang gagaling ng mga performers and so far okay din naman yung organized din naman. Highlight of course is seeing hot air balloons at the back, yung background is yung Mayon Volcano. Kaya super extra, Mayon Volcano itself napakaganda, added by the hot air balloons and the energy of the Bicolanos ngayon. So
Is it one of your dreams na makita yung Mayon?
Actually, yes. So, this is my second time here in Bicol. Last year, napunta ako dito and it's really mesmerizing. So, it's a different feeling na kasi nga dati sa books ko lang nakikita. But now, seeing up close, so nakakatuwa.
Ang ganda-ganda dito!
Ang ganda makakita ng hot air balloon. Sigma yun to.
Napakaangas! Eh!
Yeah!